Hi guys, Mark Anthony here with another money making video. If you're new to this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be notified of any new money making videos, money making systems and money making strategies. This is what we do on this channel. Uncover some ways to where you can make money online. Okay, let's get right into this video today, and I was going to show you today how you can earn around about $75 just for 10 minutes work. I've actually made more than $75 on many occasions doing this, but you'll see exactly what I mean as soon as we get going in this video. You see, websites without ranking on the major search engines may as well be invisible. There are only so many websites that can appear on the first page, and that's 10 in fact, plus obviously these sponsored ads. And one of the main factors for ranking high is getting quality backlinks pointing to your website. So backlinks have value, and this means a money making opportunity for me and you. So I'm going to show you something that I've been doing for many years, and that is selling backlinks. So this is one of my websites here, and you can see these links in here are things that I sell. I sell these links, normally from about $120, but normally these days about $75 is probably about a fair price, and that's an annual payment. So every year they renew if they want, and you will get people not just adding one link, people will buy 10 links, so I give them a discount. So if they're buying 10 links, I will give them the 10 links for $500. And I could probably put the 10 links on here probably in about half an hour, maybe 20 minutes. So that's 20 minutes and you made $500. So that just shows you the money making potential of this method. So all you need is basically content. So there's different ways of doing this. You can buy ready-made sites, but be careful with this. This is ebay.com, and these people selling these sites like this one. I mean, it looks a good site, and you look at the price. It's $30 buying now, but do not buy. If you look at the feedback on this person, you're not actually getting a website at all. So look at the negative feedback. You see here, the casino website, online business for sale. You see, and they say not as described. Seller advertise that you will own the website, and it is not true. So you wouldn't own that website. Basically, you would just be like an affiliate. So look at the terms and conditions of this, find out more. It basically says here, I do not transfer other domain or hosting services. You will get a free subdomain name and hosting for free forever. Obviously a subdomain is whatever that domain is. Or there it is here. It'll be / maybe a number, a code number, or a name, and that would be your site. It's not your site. It's not worth $30. It's not probably worth $1. And you'll probably never make money out of that. But my niche here is the gambling market. That's just basically why I was showing you quicker ways to actually get a gambling website. So this basically works with any websites connected to gambling. Probably investment as well is another good one, where the competition is fierce to get ranking on Google, and they're all looking to get these backlinks to leverage their way onto the first page. So another one you can look at is Flipper. If you want to look for a business for sale, if you're going in the gambling niche or investment niche, you might find someone here fairly cheap. You just have to keep your eye on this. These websites, they come and they go. But really the best way to do it is to get your own domain, get your own hosting, and just upload lots and lots of content, which I'll show you how to do that very, very quickly. So this is Bluehost, and this is the basic package. I mean, I'm in the UK, £2 is nothing, is it? And it comes with a free domain. That's how cheap it is. So I recommend you do that. Just get your own domain name in your niche, whether it be gambling, whether it be forex trading or whatever. Crypto coin is probably another good one at the minute. And you'll be able to sell links on those websites. So if you wanted to, you could just start your own website here, and then once you've got your website up, just install like a WordPress, a free WordPress theme, and it's just a matter of adding content to this. You want the content added. This is plrplr.com. So let's just pretend we're in the gambling niche, which is one of the niches I do. Let's see if we can find. See, these are free articles, free private label rights article directory, PLR. I'll leave the link in the description below, and you can see what they offer. Texas Hold'em. So you can see the word count. So let's just copy that text. We don't want to use that. I'm going to go to spinbot.com, paste that in. Click I am a human. Motorcycles. Is that motorcycle? Don't know. Some of these are difficult to see. And then click go. And hopefully, there you go. Hopefully, it's so you can see that Texas Hold'em is the most popular variation of poker. Texas Hold'em is the most famous variety of poker. So it's basically spun that content to make it completely unique. And that's basically what you do. You can click go again, it'll probably be able to do it again for you. Maybe, maybe not. So there you go. Oh, it's the capture. Yeah, don't worry about that. But you can see, very, very, very easy to do. Let me see. Motorbus. See if we'll do it again for me while we are live here. Normally you can get about 3 or 4 different variations. No, it's not letting me do it. But that's basically all you do, just copy and paste the original in here and click go, and you get the new one down below. Now, once your website is full of content, and I would advise you do about 50 articles, just add 50 articles so there's lots of content, and then you can basically sell links. You can go to text link ads, as you can see here, make money from simple text link ads on your website. So you could use this service if you want. I don't use any service, I just do it myself. After a while, people will find you. You don't need to advertise. Well, another option is to go people per hour. As you can see, people are advertising links and blog posts, which you could offer as well on here. You would put their blog post on your website, basically sponsored, and they add their links, and they'll pay you for that service. Obviously, it's going to take a little bit of time for your website to mature, to get ranking on Google. But once it does, and you promote on your site that people can add links and sponsored posts, and then you'll be away, and so people will come flocking to you. It just takes a little bit of time to get going. Another option to find customers really is that this is Google and gambling website, and if you're not on this front page here, is this the front page, like page 10? I would look on this and look for websites that are on page 10 plus, and contact them directly, because they all want to appear. Let's have a look at page 13. I mean, these websites are practically invisible, aren't they? But on page 13, some of these. So putting getting some backlinks to their site will push them up the ranking. So there's a lot of these sites basically promoting different brands of sports betting sites. This would be their affiliate link. So they just want to get this ranked and get it higher. So you could contact these and say, hey, I've noticed your website, it's on page 13 of Google. You can put some backlinks on my site to improve your ranking, and you'll get moved up the ranking on Google, which will mean more traffic and more customers for them. So just go to the contact page on these and put a link to your website so they can see it, and then they can add links. But it's just going to take a little bit of time just to get so you can move up the ranking on Google. But this is basically what I've been doing for a long time, probably about 15 years, and it still works today as it did back then. All these gambling websites, they want backlinks to get their ranking, and that's basically how it works. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed that. This shows you how you can make money just by putting links on a website. I mean, to add a link, as I say, $75 for 10 minutes. It's 10 minutes work, that's all it is, for $75. The website you can set up for practically nothing, as you can see, with Bluehost and with a free domain. So it's not going to cost you anything to get this started. And you can churn these websites out again and again and again and again. Basically make networks, as long as they're hosted on different IP addresses. One person that will pay you to put the backlink on one site will probably pay you again to put it on a different site. And that's basically the way it works. And that's why some of these sites, they come to me and they put 10 links on for $500. It takes me 20 minutes to half an hour to put them on, and that is it for another year. You know, and all these other gambling websites will check where backlinks are coming from, and they'll come and find your website. And the same thing happens. They'll contact you. How much do you charge to add a link? I would honestly, you don't have to charge too much in the beginning if you don't want, but $75 is probably a fair amount. Some charge $50. Depends on the website, depends on your website. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed that video today. How we can make money just selling backlinks. Maybe you knew about that, maybe you didn't, but I hope you enjoyed that video. Please, again, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, and you'll be notified of any new money-making videos that I do. In the meantime, if you're interested in affiliate marketing, which is what I've been doing for over 20 years, I focus on high-ticket affiliate marketing and $1,000 commissions, 1,000 plus. I've done a free course on this, how to promote high-ticket offers for high-ticket commissions, $1,000 plus commissions. It's a free course I've done, about 90 minutes long, 4 videos, and you can get the link to that in the description below. And I will welcome you if you decide to join us there, just to teach you all about high-ticket affiliate marketing and making some major money online. But that's it for today. Thank you again for your time, and I will see you again in the next money-making video. Take care of yourself. See you soon.